For this demo, we have included 5 files, including information on government agencies, citizens, policies, workforce, and frequently asked questions with the goal of showing examples that align with the priorities of state governments for improving citizen services, optimizing operations, and enabling data-driven decision-making across agencies. Let's begin by generating a report summarizing the total number of citizens served across health, education, and justice services. We will also seek insight into average processing times, staff utilization rates, and regional distribution of services in highlight areas with potential bottlenecks or underutilized resources to improve service efficiency. This demonstrates how SoothGPT can unify and analyze complex datasets to identify operational inefficiencies and support data-driven decisions for improving citizen services. Now let's simulate the impact of a severe flood in Columbus that affects 20% of the population, and then draft a policy memo for immediate resource allocation. We will include dynamic staff reassignments, temporary budget reallocations, citizen communication plans, and projected service demand increases based on historical disaster response data. This showcases SoothGPT's ability to simulate crisis scenarios and provide actionable policy-level recommendations for efficient and effective disaster management. Next, let's analyze the provided datasets to identify correlations between citizen demographics, service utilization across health, education, and justice programs, and the regional impacts of historical events like natural disasters or economic downturns. We will also request a summary of patterns or anomalies and recommend strategic actions for improving service delivery and resource allocation. This prompt demonstrates SoothGPT's ability to synthesize insights from multiple datasets, uncover hidden patterns, and provide actionable recommendations to enhance statewide service delivery and resilience. Now, using workforce and job market data, let's forecast the unemployment rate in Franklin County over the next 12 months, factoring in workforce development program participation, industry growth trends, and regional unemployment rates. Let's also highlight potential challenges and recommend strategies to improve employment outcomes, such as targeted training programs or employer incentives. This demonstrates how SoothGPT leverages predictive analytics to forecast trends and provide actionable strategies for addressing workforce challenges and supporting economic development. Lastly, we will optimize resource allocation for housing assistance programs to handle a 30% surge in applications in underserved regions like Dayton and Akron. It will be important to balance staff availability, budget constraints, and demand distribution to minimize processing times and ensure equitable access. We will also need a detailed plan, including projected cost savings and improved citizen satisfaction scores. This shows SoothGPT's ability to solve complex optimization problems, ensuring resources are distributed effectively while enhancing citizen outcomes and operational efficiency. These examples were completely out of the box and used only the files we showed earlier. With real data, we could tailor a solution to your specific needs and make the results even more impressive.